Hey, hey, happy some night of the week. I think it's Wednesday. I'm not quite sure. I got pinged by one of my buddies here, one of my followers that says he has not seen my video yet for today. So here's my video today. I'm fun and old fashioned. It's a Griswold family Christmas type thing. Have family over, but I need to stop and do this video because this one's important. Guys, when the system sends you out your license key, it's going to have say license key in the subject matter and a no reply from greenearth.com, which is one of my domains. It may end up in the spam folder. Look for it there. I'll have to obviously put this up somewhere else, but it's really worth noting. Within minutes of PayPal authorizing it, you should get your license key in the mail to you from whatever email address you put. So in PayPal. So that's where I need to look for it. Anyway, bot's progressing. I've got at least one or two cook groups who are now testing it. Things are looking good. I see some lot of excitement here, and I'm hoping I can get some more feedback from a generalized group of people. I'm really excited to starting really after Christmas, because we do have family and friends and things that are going on, and probably not going to code through Christmas Day, maybe for a few hours tomorrow, but Christmas Day, I doubt I'll do a lot of coding. It's just time to spend with family. But, it's just that time of year, and I'm slowing things down a little bit, but I'm looking forward to adding new stuff, adding new features, and just updating things with what people want. So with that said, what can I say? It's good. Have a good Christmas. Happy holidays to you. Keep an eye out, I'll be starting to implement more and more of what people are asking for into the bots that are productive. Someone just sent me another message, so I had to look over them. Anyway, take care. Talk to you later. Merry Christmas. But again, if I don't put out another video by tomorrow, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.